Hello everyone, welcome to today's session in Quantsapp. In today's video, we will be learning about swing trading with the help of Quantsapp indicator that will also give you a breakout, or you can say a breakdown as well. So before starting the video, if you are new here, you can go in the description. There is a link below. With the help of that, you can download and install Quantsapp web application. After successful registration, you will get some free tools in the application that will help you out in your trading. In the application, we have a video library. So in the video library, we have made multiple videos for you. These videos are based on Pro Plus tools as well as on the various strategies. So in your meantime, you can go and watch them. These videos will be available in multiple languages as well. At any point of time, if you guys are having any kinds of doubts or query, so you can contact us in the support. Okay, so you will get our contact number as well as email ID, so you can contact us and we will be there to sort your queries out. So let's start today's session. Now, when we are talking about swing trading, okay, so we will be doing the swing trading with the help of Quantsapp tool, or you can say indicator. Now that will be your price percentile. Okay, your price percentile, okay, and your OI percentile. Right now, when we are talking about percentile, right, so it is not like a percentage, but it is percentile. Okay, so when we are talking about percentile, it means how many times certain things are less than the current one. Okay, so let me show you with example. So for example, currently the price of a thing, for example, there is a thing that is known as X. Now the price of X is 20, right? Now the price is X of 20. Now I'll say currently the X is the price percentile. Okay, so the price of, this is the price of X. Okay, now I'll say the price percentile of X is 80 percentile, right? So it means 80% of the times the price of X remains below than 20. Right? So it means the price percentile of X is 80. It means 80% of the times the price of X remains below than 20. So it means if I look back to the data of X, right, so I'll get to know like many of the times the price of X remains below this 20 range. So what it means right now currently the price of X is very good. Right, we can analyze that, right? So that is what we will be looking in price percentile. So it will show us how many times the past price is less than the current one. Similarly, if I'll talk about the OI percentile, it will tell us how many times in the past the open interest or the contracts of this certain stock, right, it is less than the current one, right? Okay. Now, when I'm going for the swing trading with the help of this price percentile and OI percentile, okay, and as I have told you, we will be looking into the breakouts and breakdowns of support and resistance as well, right? So now there are two things, okay. First of all, when I'm making my view for the bullish direction, and when I'm making my view for the bearish direction as well, okay. So bullish and bearish, okay, right. Now, if I'm going for the bearish direction first, right, what I want, there will be two things. The first one will be the price percentile, okay, and the second thing will be the OI percentile. That is the open interest percentile, right? Now, when I'm going for the bearish direction, when I'm making my trade in the bearish direction, I could be making a put option, I could be taking a future selling, okay. So at that point of time, what I want my price percentile to be less than 10, okay, you can say less than 10 or approximately to 10, okay. What I want my price percentile to be approximately 10 or less than 10, right? At the same time, what I want my OI percentile, it should be greater than 90, okay. It should be greater than 90. So it should be greater than, or you can say approximately. Okay, approximately 90 or greater than 90. This is what we want. So these are the two conditions, right? Okay. Now when I'm going for the bullish trade, so in bullish trade, I want my price percentile. It should be greater than 90. Okay, approximately. Okay, greater than 90. At the same time, going for the OI percentile. So OI percentile, it should also be greater than 90 or approximately 90, right? It can be 89 also, it can be 90 also, it can be 91 also, 92 also, right? But approximately 90 or greater than that, right? This is the conditions that I want in my trade, and that is when I'm going to enter in a particular trade, right? Okay. So let's open the Quantsapp indicator here. So I have to go here in the analyze section and you can see the price OI percentile. So I have to click here. Okay, then you can see these are all the stocks that is giving you some indications here. But first you can see the stocks which is having the price greater than 80 or 27, and the stocks which are having the price less than 20 percentile, that is 63. So clearly it is showing me ki most of the stocks, they are close to their support or they are on the verge to break their support, right? So what I will do, I will also go for the support breakout, right? So today we will be watching the example of both the breakdown and breakout of support and resistance. But what you have to do, whenever you will see this reading, so currently it is giving me a breakout of support, so I will have to go for the bearish direction at that time, right? Now at any point of time, if the stocks that will be showing you greater than 80, okay, they are more than the stocks which is giving you indication less than 20, okay, so at that time you have to go for the bullish direction, right? Or you can say the breakout of support as well. So let me sort this out with the help of price percentile. So if I'm making my view, so first of all we will go with the bullish one. So let's cover the bullish one first. Okay, so we are going for the bullish one first. So when I'm going for the bullish one, so what I will do, you can see here what I want the price percentile to be greater than 90. At the same time, I want the OI percentile to be greater than 90, right? So let's see which are those conditions here. Okay, so which are those conditions? Let me find out. So here I can see none of my stocks is showing me the OI greater than 90. Okay, but there are some stocks which is very close to 90. So that is why I have written approx 90, right? So I can choose this one, that is M&M. Okay, so in M&M my OI percentile is 87, that is approximately close to 90. And similarly price percentile is also 87, that is approximately close to 90, right? So I will go with this one. Okay, so you can see in this one my price was increasing from 11 to 12th November, that is 79, and then 86, then 84, 87, right? And at the same time my OI percentile is also maintaining itself, right? So this is one of the stock, that is M&M, with which I can go with, okay, and that can give me a good indication. So let's see the chart of M&M as well. Okay, so let me put the chart of M&M here, that is M&M. Okay, so this is the M&M. So you can see here, okay, this is the stock which is in the bullish direction. So currently I'm analyzing the time frame of 5 minutes. You can analyze it in the time frame of 1 day as well. Okay, so that will give you a good reading here. So you can see as I have analyzed it in the 1 day time frame. Okay, so I'll just choose a line here. Okay, and you can see this was the resistance that my market was maintaining from a long time. You can see my market took a resistance here. Again, my market took a resistance here. And when this resistance was broken out, a good movement in the upward direction. When this resistance, then it acted as a support. When this support was broken out, a good movement in the downward direction. Again, my market took a rejection here at this point of time. And again, my market is on the verge to break it out, right? Now, we will use an indicator here for the analysis, like if it will break it out or not. But first of all, you can see I got a stock which is on the verge of giving me a breakout, and that is how you have to select the stock which is giving you a bullish indication as well as on the verge to give you a breakout, right? Now the indicator, I will use an indicator, that is my OI. Okay, so you can see the trade OI. So I will select this indicator, and let's remove the remaining indicator from here. So I'm removing remaining indicator from here, right? Now you can see when my market was giving me a good move, okay, and after then there was a short covering, right? Now what I want a breakout of this resistance. So at any point of time, if there will be a breakout, at any point of time, if there will be a breakout, okay, if there will be a breakout, and my open interest will also increase in the upper direction. So you will see like the momentum will increasing in the upper direction. So at that time I will make my move in the upper direction, right? So currently my market is it is trying to break this resistance. So if my candle will successfully break it out, and at the same time you will see the OI is also showing the momentum in the upward direction, so then you can make a trade, you can go and make a trade in this particular stock with the confirmation, right? So this is how you can select a stock, this is how you can make a trade in a particular stock for the daily time frame, or you can say for the swing trading, right? Okay, Now let's see, this was the first example. Now let's see if we'll go for the bearish condition as well. So how we can make a trade. So for the bearish condition, what we want, price approx or less than 10, at the same time OI approx or greater than 90. So let's see on the Quantsapp application. Again, we will go here in the price OI percentile, and again I will sort it out, price percentile. Okay, so you can see I want price percentile to be approx or less than 10. Okay, so here you can see, okay, Titan price percentile less than 10, okay, or approximately 10, but we want OI to be greater than 90 as well. So let's see where is the condition where I'm getting here. So you can see in the AB capital, price is close to 10 and OI percentile is close to 88, so that can be a good stock for me. I can go with the Godrej JCP as well. So first of all, let's see the ABC capital here. Okay, so in this one AB capital, so in AB capital I can see the price is approximately to 10 and my OI percentile is also 88. Okay, so I will also analyze this one in the charts trade and order, again the time frame of 1 day. Okay, and again for the indicator we will apply the trade OI. Okay, now you can again see in this stock as well, I got this stock because this stock is on the verge of its breakout. If I'll make the breakout here, so let's see which is the resistance here. So if I'll make the resistance, so you can see clearly your market was giving, oh sorry, this is the chart of M&M. I'll just shift it to the AB capital. Okay, so AB capital. Okay, AB capital. Okay, now you can see what we were finding out. We want to know which is the stock that was giving me the breakout of the support. So clearly you can see if I'll make a range here or if I'll just make a support or resistance. So let's see. So you can see this is my resistance here, support here, sorry, my bad. So this is my support here. Okay, and you can see my market was taking a rejection here, then again it took a support multiple times, and now it has successfully broken it out. At the same time, when my market was moving in the downward direction, and after the breakout of this support, you can see there is a significant movement, upward movement in my open interest. That is what it is saying me, that this trend is strong, and now I can go and make a position with a confirmation here. And what is the confirmation? The confirmation is the trade OI, right? So this is how you have to select the stock for the bearish market as well. Whenever there is a breakout of support or resistance, okay, so it will give you, what is the tool of the name? The tool is the price OI percentile, right? Okay, so let's see some other example also. So again, in the analyze section, I will go in the price OI percentile. Okay, so for the about AB capital, just go on the price percentile, right? Now after AB capital, let's see which is the other stock that I can go with. So AB capital, and then we have a BHEL as well here. Okay, and we have MRF. Okay, but the MRF where is overpriced than AB capital. And then let's see what other we have. We have the Godrej JCP as well, so we can also see the chart of Godrej. So let me apply the Godrej here. Godrej. Okay, so Godrej JCP, and then I will choose the time frame of 1 day. So in Godrej JCP, in the time frame of 1 day, we can see actually it is very close to its support as we want to know. Okay, and you can see if I'll draw a support here, so this was my support level, right? Okay, so this was my support level. Let me draw it perfectly for you. So you can see this was your support level, right? So my market took a support here, and then after a very long time it is again taking a support here. So currently my market is in very choppy. Okay, currently my market is very choppy, and now at any point of time, if it will give me a breakdown of this support, so at that time what I have to analyze, I have to analyze again the trade OI, and at the same time if my trade OI will be in the momentum in the upward direction, so what I will get to know, I will get to know the participants are liking this breakdown, they want to enter in this trade, and at the same time we will also enter in this trade. Okay, so that is when you will get a good momentum in this trade, okay, in the bearish direction, right? So this is how you can actually get a stock and you can trade, you can enter in that particular stock for the swing trading for some holding period of like 5 to 6 days. Okay, and you can just hold it for the monthly expiry as well, right? So I hope you got to know good today. ठीक है, आपको मजा आया, and अगर आपको पसंद आया वीडियो, you got to know the concept, then you can like the video, you can share your views in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe the channel if you are new. Thank you so much. This is your trainer Ankit Singh Rawat. Have a good day.